Okay. See the fireworks, baby. Wow, it's beautiful, Rahul. It's beautiful. Whoa, nobody's moving, huh? Oh, look at that. Happy New Year, Rahul. Happy New Year. Say Happy New Year, everybody. Wow. Yay. See? Are you watching? He's watching from my camera. You're watching from my camera. Wow.
Whoa.
See? It's beautiful. Wow. I can't say anything. Let's just focus the Burj Khalifa. See, there's a fireworks, Rahul. Whoa, Burj Khalifa. Wow, look at that. Rahul, see?
Can Shan see on this side as well?
No.
Oh, there, boy.
Wow, look at that.
I think this is festival side, isn't it?
Yeah.
So there is like our festival. Why didn't you go this time?
Oh, we don't know. They didn't advertise anywhere.
Last time they didn't do, right?
Yeah.
Last year they did not.
They didn't advertise as well this time.
Yay! Rahul, see the fireworks. Rahul, see the fireworks. See mommy's camera.
Look, sweetheart.
See the phone. You will see the fireworks. Wow. It's nice. It's beautiful.
These are just lightings now.
Yeah.
They're doing less now, right? Before they used to.
Before they were doing all these fireworks.
Yeah.
Now it's laser.
Oh, that's
Yay.
festival.
That's all from Burj Khalifa?
No, I think shouldn't be. This is said until 12/9 it's gonna be Burj Khalifa.
9 minutes. I think the laser light will be there. Yee.
I said festival city ne aaj wo bada kita yaar. Festival zyada kita yaar. Festival city is having beautiful one this time. Really?
Shit. Oh, see, it's still happening.
Oh,
in
very
Burj.
nice there. You put Shan there. No, Shan.
Let me also
Shan,
see.
Honey, you go.
Where?
Let Shan see.
Oh, it's nice. Oh, see from here.
There, boy, there.
See.
Yay!
What's on mommy's camera? Let's see Burj Khalifa now.
Because Jasser is tall.
Yeah.
See?
Wow, boy.
Oh, look, Burj
Burj
Khalifa.
Khalifa.
That one is nice because it's color.
Yeah, it's nice. It looks like Christmas.
No, it's okay, Uncle. No, it's fine. Don't worry.
Oh my god.
It's too much. Where do we focus? I will.
Oh, look, boy.
Yeah, nobody keeps it.
Hey, Burj Khalifa is nice as well. It's beautiful. Oh,
वो वहाँ बुला रहे हैं। नहीं, हम लोग यहाँ पे
I'm not going to
wow.
ਸ਼ਮਲ ਫੈਸਟੀਵਲ ਵੀ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ ਉਹ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਬੁੱਝ ਖਲੀਫਾ ਨਜ਼ਰ ਆਣਾ ਸੀ ਵੀ ਨਜ਼ਰ ਆਣਾ ਵਾਓ ਵਾਓ ਉਹਨੇ ਬੰਦ ਕਰ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਉਹ ਅੱਲਾ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਉਹਨੇ 9 ਮਿੰਟ ਤੱਕ ਚਲਾਣਾ ਉਹਨੇ ਖਲੀਫੇ ਨੇ
Oh, it's still happening in Burj Khalifa. Well, Happy New Year. Wow. See, it's nice in Burj Khalifa. Ooh, it's nice. Wow. It's nice. Whoa. That's so beautiful. Oh, it's nice. Oh my god, it's nice. Yay, yay. We'll see. Wow, Rahul, see here. See here.
Yeah.
It's nice. Wow. Look, Rahul. What are they doing? See? Fireworks. Fireworks. Oh, it's beautiful. Wow. Hey. Oh my god, my hands are paining. Yeah. The fireworks still on, huh? That's it, April. No more shooting? Oh, look, it's nice. Rahul's first New Year. Wow, it's nice. Aunt Maria should have been here to see. Oh, see, it's nice. Beautiful. Oh my god. Shit. That's so nice. Yeah, what happened that side? I hope it's not a fire, huh?
No more fire.
Huh?
The building there.
That is a fire? Oh my god, that's a fire.
Yeah.
Shit. Is that a fire?
No. What's this fireworks?
Ah, maybe. Shit. But I think the building was on fire before.
Yeah. No.
Yeah, right? Now it's not there.
Yeah.
That's it? Okay, let's focus Burj Al Arab now. Where? Oh, yeah. Ah.
Oh, there again. Other side.
Oh, let's... No, but we can't see it though. Yeah, somewhere in the middle of the building. But that's enough. That's enough. Happy New Year.